In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page with Elementor Pro in just 5 minutes. This step-by-step guide is perfect for anyone looking to quickly set up a landing page using Elementor's intuitive interface. So let's jump right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your WordPress site. Head over to your website's WordPress login page. If you're not familiar, this is where you'll enter your username and password to gain access to the site's backend. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the WordPress dashboard. This is your control center where all the magic happens. Now look over to the left hand side of your dashboard and you should see a menu. From there, click on the Elementor option. Elementor is a powerful plugin that makes designing web pages a breeze, so selecting it will take you to an environment specifically designed for creating and editing your site's pages. Next, navigate to the Edit with Elementor button on the page you want to transform into a landing page. Clicking this will open up the Elementor editor. This interface is user-friendly and enables you to see changes in real time as you make them. Before you start adding your unique content, it's wise to set the page layout. You can do this by clicking on the settings icon on the bottom left of the Elementor panel. It's crucial to pick a layout that complements your brand and meets your design goals. If you need more layout options, you might need to upgrade your Elementor plan, as some advanced features are available only on the Pro version. With the layout set, it's time to start building your page. The Elementor editor operates on a simple drag and drop basis. This means you can select elements such as text boxes, images, or buttons, and place them exactly where you want. Start by dragging a widget from the Elementor sidebar and dropping it onto your page. Customize the properties of each widget to suit your design needs and ensure your page aligns with your overall branding and objectives. Once you're happy with your design and confident everything is in place, it's crucial to save your work. At the bottom left of the screen, you'll see a green Publish button. Clicking this will make your newly created landing page live for your audience to see. So take this moment to review your page thoroughly. And just like that, you've created a landing page with Elementor Pro in only 5 minutes. With Elementor's flexibility and power, the possibilities are endless, allowing you to create pages that attract and engage your visitors effortlessly. Thanks for watching and happy designing.